warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, my name is Ainun Mardia. You can call me Ainun. I am student of SMPN 79 Sinjai, South Sulawesi. At this moment, I want to present my story at the title Mouse, Deer and Elephant. A long time ago, in the jungle, there was a mouse deer. He was walking around in the forest. The mouse deer didn't know that in front of him there was a hole in brook. The mouse deer fell into the hole. He was trapped in a hole that had been made by a group of hunters. Help! Help! Help me, please! The mouse deer screamed for help, but no one heard him. It was hopeless for him to escape from the trap. He waited, and finally an elephant came. He was happy and asked for help, but the elephant is not smart enough to help him. The elephant didn't know how to do in the end. The mouse deer caught a bright idea. He said to the elephant, "Come down here, come down this hole, so you can help me get out." Foolishly, the elephant agreed and followed the mouse deer ordered. The elephant jumped down to the hole. Of course, the mouse deer quickly hopped down the elephant's body and then hopped out of the hole. He was free and leaving the elephant trapped in the hole in turn. Thank you. Happy Teacher Day!